Hey everyone, welcome back to Fact Fusion. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics in science fiction and real science: time travel. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to travel back to the past or leap into the future? We'll explore some of the most famous time travel stories and discuss whether these adventures could actually happen. So buckle up and let's embark on a journey through time. First, let's understand what time travel is. Time travel means moving between different points in time, just like we move between different points in space. The idea has captured human imagination for centuries, appearing in countless books, movies, and TV shows. But is it just a fantasy, or could it really happen? Albert Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that time isn't a constant. It can stretch and bend depending on how fast you're moving and how much gravity is around you. This means that time travel might be more than just science fiction. Einstein's equations show that time slows down the closer you get to the speed of light. This is called time dilation. For example, if you travel in a spaceship near the speed of light and return to Earth, you might find that you've aged only a few years, while decades have passed on Earth. This strange effect has been confirmed by experiments with atomic clocks on fast-moving airplanes, showing that time really does move differently depending on your speed. Another fascinating concept is the idea of wormholes. Some scientists believe that wormholes could be another way to travel through time. A wormhole is like a tunnel between 2 points in space-time, potentially allowing travel from one end to the other instantly. If one end of a wormhole is in the future and the other in the past, it might be possible to step through and travel in time. However, we have no idea how to make or control wormholes yet. They remain a theoretical possibility, and creating one would require overcoming enormous technical challenges, such as finding or creating exotic matter with negative energy. Now, let's dive into some famous time travel stories and see what science has to say about them. One of the most iconic time travel stories is H.G. Wells' The Time Machine. In this novel, a scientist invents a machine that lets him travel far into the future. There, he encounters strange new societies and learns about the fate of humanity. The time traveler meets the Eloi, a gentle and passive people, and the Morlocks, who live underground and have a more sinister nature. Wells' story explores themes of evolution and social class, painting a vivid picture of what the distant future could be like. While Wells' story is pure fiction, it raises interesting questions about what we might find if we could travel to the distant future. What kinds of societies and technologies might develop? Could we even recognize the future as our own world, or would it seem as alien as the one Wells described? The Back to the Future movies are another popular depiction of time travel. In these films, Marty McFly uses a DeLorean car equipped with a time machine to travel to the past and future. He has to be careful not to change events, or he could alter the future in unpredictable ways. This concept is known as the butterfly effect, where small actions in the past can cause big changes in the future. The movies illustrate the complications of time travel, such as meeting your younger self or accidentally changing important historical events. They also introduce the idea of alternate timelines, where different versions of the present and future exist based on changes made in the past. While the movies are fun, real-world physics doesn't yet support such easy time hopping. However, they inspire us to think about the potential consequences of tampering with time. Doctor Who is a British TV show about an alien called the Doctor who travels through time and space in a ship called the TARDIS. The Doctor visits different eras and planets, solving problems and fighting villains. Doctor Who mixes science fiction with real scientific ideas, making it a fascinating exploration of what time travel could be like. The TARDIS, which stands for Time and Relative Dimension in Space, is bigger on the inside and can go anywhere in time and space. The show explores various time travel concepts such as fixed points in time that cannot be changed and the idea of parallel universes. Although it's fictional, it inspires many to dream about the possibilities of time travel and the adventures that could come with it. The Doctor's encounters with historical figures and events make us wonder how different our world might be if we could witness or even influence history firsthand. So, could we really travel through time like in these stories? According to current scientific knowledge, we face many challenges. Traveling to the future is theoretically possible using time dilation, but we would need to travel at incredibly high speeds or find a way to manipulate gravity. Current technology is nowhere near achieving the speeds required for significant time dilation. For example, the fastest spacecraft we've ever built, the Parker Solar Probe, travels at about 430,000 miles per hour, but even at that speed, the time dilation effect is minuscule. Traveling to the past is even more complicated. It might require wormholes or other exotic forms of matter that we don't yet know how to create or control. Some scientists suggest that if time travel to the past were possible, we would have already seen time travelers among us. This idea is called the time travel paradox. If people from the future could visit us, where are they? This leads to the speculation that time travel to the past might be impossible, or at least incredibly difficult and dangerous. One of the most famous paradoxes is the grandfather paradox. This involves traveling back in time and accidentally preventing your grandfather from meeting your grandmother, which would mean you were never born and couldn't have traveled back in time in the first place. Such paradoxes challenge our understanding of cause and effect and suggest that time travel might involve rules we don't yet comprehend. Quantum physics, the science of the very small, offers another intriguing possibility. Some interpretations of quantum mechanics suggest that particles can move backward and forward in time. This has led to theories about quantum time travel, where changes at the quantum level could affect larger systems. One idea is the concept of quantum entanglement, where particles become linked and instantly affect each other regardless of distance. Some scientists believe this could offer clues about how information might travel through time. Another fascinating concept is the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. This theory suggests that every possible outcome of a quantum event actually occurs in a vast multiverse of parallel universes. If true, this could mean that traveling back in time might create a new parallel timeline rather than changing the one we came from. While this is still highly theoretical, it opens up exciting possibilities for the future of time travel research. Scientists continue to explore the mysteries of time and space, looking for ways to make time travel a reality. Advanced technologies like particle accelerators and space telescopes help us understand the universe better. The Large Hadron Collider, for example, allows scientists to study particles at incredibly high energies, providing insights into the fundamental nature of reality. Maybe one day, these technologies will unlock the secrets of time travel. Research into black holes and gravitational waves also offers potential clues. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. Some theories suggest that black holes could connect different points in space-time, possibly serving as natural time machines. Gravitational waves, ripples in space-time caused by massive objects moving, might also help us understand how time and space are connected. Until then, we can enjoy time travel stories and imagine what the future might hold. Time travel remains one of the most intriguing concepts in science and fiction. While we're not there yet, the possibility keeps our imagination alive and pushes scientists to explore the unknown. As we learn more about the universe, who knows what we might discover? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fact Fusion, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.